What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Let's make some homemade jerk seasoning. So here's a list of the ingredients that I'll be using. I have some soy sauce, some ground nutmeg, cinnamon, salt, pimento seeds, black pepper, and over here I have some oil. I have some onion, some thyme, some scallion, some lemon, some garlic, some hot pepper, that's scotch bonnet pepper, some browning, and of course some brown sugar to cut the heat. So guys, onward, everything is self-explanatory. I'm just gonna add my ingredients to my blender. Now guys, if you like yours a little bit more spicy, you could go ahead with more scotch bonnet pepper. If you like it less spicy, you could cut back on the peppers. And I'm going to give this another rough chop so they can fit in the processor a little bit more easier. I'm also going to give this ginger a rough chop so it can process a little bit more easier. I'm going to go in with my garlics. Now guys, you don't have to cut these too fine. You just want them small enough so they can fit in the food processor and not get stuck. You want it to be able to move freely. And again, my spices over here: nutmeg, pimento seed, black peppercorns, cinnamon, and salt. And some brown sugar. The brown sugar is to cut the heat and balance out all that spiciness. And we're going to go in with our soy sauce, some flavorless oil. You want to use olive oil, vegetable oil, or grapeseed oil. You don't want a high flavored oil. And of course the browning. Now you could go in with as much or as little browning as you like, depending on the color you want on your jerk. And of course I'm going to go in with some lemon juice to act as preservative. In replacement of the lemon juice, you could use some white distilled vinegar if you please. I'm just going to process this down. We want to get like a semi-smooth. We want to get like a little paste-like consistency. We don't want this too smooth, but we don't want it too chunky. We want it in between. And that's it, beautiful people. Our lovely jerk seasoning slash marinade is ready. Now guys, you could rub this onto your favorite meat, chicken, anything you want to give that jerk flavor to. This is awesome for it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.